Ever had one of those days where you know you need to get stuff done, but instead you're lying in bed staring at the ceiling, questioning your entire existence? Yeah, same. You tell yourself, I'll start in 10 minutes. Then it becomes 30 minutes. Then it becomes tomorrow. And before you know it, it's been a week, and the only thing you've accomplished is scrolling through every social media app like it's your full-time job. But don't worry, I'm not here to judge, I'm here to help. Because what if I told you there's a simple rule that takes just 5 minutes to apply, and it can help you break that cycle for good? Let's talk about the 5-minute rule. So what is the 5-minute rule? It's simple. If something will take you 5 minutes or less, just do it now. No overthinking, no excuses, just do it. But wait, that's not even the best part. You can also flip it. If a task feels overwhelming, just promise yourself, I'll do it for only 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure to finish it. Just show up, start. And here's the secret. Once you start, you usually keep going because the hardest part is starting. Think about it like this. Have you ever pushed a shopping cart with a wobbly wheel? It's annoying at first, but once you get it rolling, it's not that bad. That's how your brain works too. You just need momentum. Let's say you have to clean your room. You look around and think, ugh, this is a disaster. Maybe the next earthquake will fix it for me. But then you say, okay, I'll just clean for 5 minutes. You pick up your socks, fold some clothes. Before you know it, it's been 20 minutes and now you're lighting a candle like you're about to invite guests over. Boom. Clean room, just because you started. Or take schoolwork. Writing an essay feels like trying to climb a mountain barefoot. But if you tell yourself, I'll just write the first 50 words, you'll probably end up writing 500. And even if you don't, 50 is still more than zero. That's how it works. You reduce the pressure, and your brain finally stops treating the task like it's a life or death situation. And let's be real, you've probably done harder things for less. You've watched a 10-minute video on how to peel a mango perfectly. You've spent 30 minutes figuring out the best outfit just to stay home. You've fought with Wi-Fi for an hour just to load one TikTok. You can spare 5 minutes to improve your life. And I get it. Motivation is unpredictable. It's like that friend who says, I'm on my way, but hasn't even showered yet. So instead of waiting for motivation, build momentum. The 5-minute rule doesn't rely on feelings. It relies on action. Small actions. Here's the truth. You don't need to feel like it to get started. You just need 5 minutes of courage. Because once you break inertia, once you push through that resistance, everything else gets easier. This rule works for cleaning, studying, working out, starting your side hustle, reading, praying, even replying to those long overdue messages like, hey, sorry for the late reply. I just saw this. You don't have to fix your whole life today. Just do 5 minutes, then maybe another 5 tomorrow. Success doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from tiny wins, stacked every day. So next time you feel stuck, just say 5 minutes. That's all. And watch how fast your life begins to move forward. Now go, clean your desk, write that thing, send that email. Just start for 5 minutes because that's all it takes to change your momentum and maybe even your whole life.